So my name is John and I am the founder of Digital Dynamix. It's basically an innovative NFT platform that's designed to reward participants of our ecosystem. And we want to foster a sense of culture and community on the Flare network. What is the gap that we're trying to fill? Well, it's actually twofold. We first want to empower artists with novel out-of-the-box utility. And we also want to empower collectors by offering them the power of choice. And we do that through something we call dynamic NFTs. What is a dynamic NFT? It's something that is customizable, ever evolving, and it unlocks the power of choice and allows the collector to be part of the creative journey when making an NFT. So how does this actually work? Well, if you look on the left-hand side, what you can see is a base layer NFT, and on the right-hand side of the screen are various traits. And the concept is that the collector gets to pick and choose the traits that they want to fuse to their base layers. And again, this just adds a personal touch. So it's not just get what you're given. The collector is really part of this, this journey. And on the back end, the artist can focus on what they do best. We handle everything on the back end, all of the complexities. You may want to fully fuse an NFT to get some rewards. And these are only applicable to fully fused NFTs. This includes a 20% royalty share of the collection, so you get to enjoy in the success of the collection. And you also get rewarded the Dynamix token, which is our ecosystem token, and arguably the better benefit. These Dynamix tokens are able to purchase a royalty NFT, and there's only 100 of these. These NFTs are very sought after, and everyone's racing to get one because it is a revenue share of the entire Digital Dynamix ecosystem. So it starts with royalties, and every collection that we launch, 40% of the royalties go to a pot, which is then distributed to the royalty NFT holders. In terms of progress over the past couple of months with the incubator program, we've managed to onboard 3 new artists, 2 from start to finish. The third were actually releasing their base layers on Thursday. We've streamlined this onboarding procedure to remove the friction, and we've released the statistics page for all of the collections and real-time data that's available through our Discord bot. In addition to that, we have the royalty share and the Dynamix emissions each and every month for all of the fully fused NFTs. It's the last slide, and arguably the most important. What is next? Well, we really want to focus on becoming an infrastructure provider for the Flare network. In addition to that, we have an existing NFT marketplace that we want to expand, and we want to onboard more artists. And all of these are part of the bigger plan, which feed income streams into this royalty NFT, which essentially creates a flywheel effect for rewards and incentivizes people to participate in the ecosystem through the mechanism in which we distribute the Dynamix token, which is through fusing dynamic NFTs. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them.